Looking good.
Wish I could caulk.
You what?
Wish I could caulk.
Well, you know.
Not really. I don't know.
Using like a... That's good.
Yeah, but it's...
Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, it's probably harder. It's not like you're doing tile. So this will seal. All right. I like it. You've done a really good job.
Thanks.
It's gonna look amazing. We're gonna put the rubber roof coat on when there's not gonna be rain for like 24 hours.
Yeah.
So this has been a crazy summer of rain. And then we can put the vents in up top. So that's what we're waiting for now. But yeah, it's looking good. The bottom here is gonna be, God, this looks so good. Huh. I love it. This is gonna be diamond plate on the front. So if if Max, the van, is pulling it, the rocks won't ding up the front of it. And then we're gonna create a thing that folds down over the window. It'll look really good when we're done with that. But until then, we're still working. He's, after tomorrow, he's got 2 weeks off. And this is gonna be the project. So we're gonna be putting out a lot of videos, but I'm gonna add on to this. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Checking on your progress.
Progress.
Rugrats. Getting there, huh?
Yeah.
You got the roof is all rubber coated with this white. There it is. Whatever that says. Plastomeric roof coating. All right. So you didn't need to buy that much, huh?
No, not really. But it was pretty cheap.
$84?
Yeah,
That's cheap.
pretty much.
You're ruining your good shorts. Just kidding. Those aren't your good shorts, right?
Not that I know.
Not that I know of. So here's where we're at so far. It's looking pretty nice. Yeah, we're still working. Tomorrow we put in the roof vents. So I'm gonna add that to this video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're back.
Can you get my X-Acto knife? It's inside the door.
Of what?
The camper.
Oh, the camper.
It's black.
You found it? The black and yellow?
No, it's black.
Oh, there it is. Ta-da. Okay, I'm gonna get on this stool. Oh, that is not sturdy. Okay, yeah, it is. Hold on. Ugh. Here, reach. I'm right here.
Just throw it.
Ah! Welcome. Oh, looky there, people. The first fan and the second fan. Awesome. Ah. Good morning. Love you.
Love you.
How's that roof? How's the roof feel?
Fine.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. Got the rubber roof on, and then we get that second vent on. We got rain coming. At least we don't have to worry about water from the roof. Okay. Let's go get a different view. There's the second view. He's sealing it up. Uh-huh. He's lucky that rag didn't fall on the ground. Then he would have dragged me out there to get it. How exciting. All right, guys. I'll keep you up to date. So we got both vents on right before this. You can't really see it. My camera is like brightening it up, but it is black. We've got really bad storms coming, and I'm so grateful. Both vents are now on the top of the camper. I'll show you. See, we got both vents on. Sky is about to unload. Now we don't have to worry about the roof. It's rubber roof coated. Oops, sorry, unfocused. It's rubber roof coated. Oh, I'm trying to do this through a screen. There we go. So now we don't have to worry about that. Oh boy, it just never ends. It never, you hear the thunder? It just never ends with these storms. All right, guys, I will see you on the next episode. And we're gonna try to make progress and get all the windows in the next few days. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.